Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to join someone on Roblox without being friends. First, go to your Roblox app. Then, open your web browser. To show you, I'm opening another Roblox account in the web browser. Here you can see I have logged in with different accounts. Click to open any friends from your friend list. Here, you need to click on this green button to join your friend. Now you have joined. You can play with your friends. For the other way, click on your friend's profile. Then click on Join. Click on Allow. After a few seconds of configuration, you'll be able to join that person. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.